Hey guys, what's up? Mo and Nick Mechanic. Alright, we're working on that 2012 Dodge Journey again, and we're replacing the rotors. These rotors are getting eaten up. The one on the other side was the main concern, which I've already gone ahead and taken care of. Now, if you do not know how to get to the point we're at right now, tires off, I just took off the brake caliper, which is held by two 13mm. I've already made a video for replacing the brake pads and taking off the caliper. If you guys need to find it, just search it and I'll put a link in the description later so you can watch it. Okay, so we're gonna replace the rotor. We've taken off the caliper. The next thing to do is caliper bracket right here. It's held on by a 21mm, which is right here where my finger is. There's one on top, and then there's, sorry for the camera angle, but there's one on the bottom. It's right here. Hope you can see it. It's right there. All right, so we're gonna take those off. All right, so 21mm on the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing to the top. If you guys want to fast forward, you can. Alright, and after you take out both of those bolts, this caliper bracket is just going to fall right off. It's just going to fall right off, and you can just go ahead and take out your brake pads. If you want to replace them, you can. I'm actually not going to replace these brake pads because look at all the life this guy has. It's got a whole lot of life, but there's a lot of rivets and bumps in the brake pads, so I'm going to take some sandpaper and just alright, brackets off, so we're just going to pull the rotor right off. Here's the new one. We're just gonna put it on there. We got our bracket. We're gonna put the bracket back on. It's really easy. You see the bracket holes right here. You're just gonna line the bracket up right behind it. Put the bolts back in. Right here. Two big 21s. Up. And these things are screwed back in their holes. 21mm. I'm just using a wrench because I can't find my 21mm socket. Buried in all my tools. Or a ratchet wrench would be nice too. Bit of sandpaper, fold it in half. And I'm just gonna make these smooth. There's no point in buying a brand new set of brake pads when you got this much life. Just feel it, make sure it's nice and smooth. You can kind of see the rings in there. Feel. And normally you guys want to wear gloves. I'm going to take a nice shower afterwards, so no big deal. Okay, you can see rings a little bit, but it's a lot smoother. I'm not going to spend too much time. but if there's rivets and grooves in here, it will eat the rotor up and it will not have as much life. Got a lot of fingerprints on it. Alright, so now that the bracket's back in, we've got some multi-purpose greaser, brake lubrication. Gonna want to put a little bit up here underneath these brackets, go on both sides, the front and the back. Just, you know, put gloves on, put your finger in it, just gonna run it through. Try to avoid getting any on the rotor. And when you go to put the brake pads back in, make sure the one that's got this extra little clip goes on the other side.